Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to remove hyperlink in your PDF. So let's get started. So first of all, it's very simple. It's just searching for PDF remove hyperlink on google.com. And from here, just go into avipdf.com, this result, click on that. And then from here, all you have to do is click on choose a file and just simply click or choose the PDF file that we would want to remove the hyperlink in. For example, I'm just going to go for this one right here and click on open. And then just wait for it to load. And then from here, all the hyperlinks will now be removed if you enable this option right here. So if you're just interested in hyperlinks, you can just disable the others if you don't want to remove them. But in my case, I'll just enable all of them since I want to remove all of this. Click on remove. And then all you have to do now is just wait. And then just like that, the hyperlink is now removed. All you have to do now is click here on download to download the PDF that has its hyperlink already removed. And that is basically it. You have now successfully removed hyperlink in PDF. Thank you for watching.